Trump's lawyers had 16 hours to defend him. They took under 3.
It's a preposterous and monstrous lie.
Arguing that his words on January 6th
We fight like hell.
were just political rhetoric, same as Democrats.
And we need to fight that fight.
We have been fighting.
It is a fight, and it is a fight born out of patriotism.
That video ran 11 minutes, parts of it repeated 3 times. Not 1 minute today of the actual attack, for which Trump is on trial for inciting. Instead, a compilation of aggressive utterances from Democrats.
You got to be ready to throw a punch.
Donald Trump, I think you need to go back and punch him in the face.
This case, unfortunately, is about political hatred.
Trump has stayed out of sight this week in Florida, but his influence keenly felt today as lawyers reintroduce campaign themes like Trump's law and order response to last summer's protests.
The president clearly deplores rioters and political violence.
That touched off a personal rebuke from a prosecution lawyer.
Playing clip after clip of black women talking about fighting for a cause or an issue or a policy. It was not lost on me as so many of them were people of color.
Tensions flaring between the law and politics.
This is about the most miserable experience I've had down here in Washington, D.C.
You know, my counsel said before, this has been my worst experience in Washington, and for that I guess we're sorry, but man, you should have been here on January 6th.
But what Republican senators needed today, they got.
You need to keep focused on what is the law and how do we apply it to this set of facts.
A cover to acquit Donald Trump, which they likely will.
And there were no words of incitement of any kind.
The counsel's time is expired.
With this rapid trial, there could be a vote tomorrow.
So, Susan, why was Trump's defense team so quick to finish?
Well, there were no witnesses so far, no evidence tested, which means key questions like what was Trump doing during the riots and why he didn't call them down immediately remain unanswered. But really, Ian, hours of vivid imagery this week of the riots, reminding Americans of Trump's legacy. Republicans want to move on with confidence that there's still little incentive to publicly punish the former president, at least not for now.
All right, Susan, thank you.